Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the buzzer, that is, the earpiece speaker in your phone, Motorola Edge 40 Neo. We start by needing a toothbrush. No, not a toothbrush, but a cotton swab. With firm flexible bristles so that the bristles return to their original position. It actually needs to be soft or medium hard, because otherwise you'll scratch your phone. We need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, which will soften the dirt so it comes out of the buzzer holes, and then it will simply evaporate, and there won't be any trace of it left behind. You can buy these items as a set. Amazon, Allegro, no problem. And if you don't have these things and can't buy them nearby, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium hard, and then you can use it instead of the specialized equipment. First we need to turn off the phone. Always turn it off. Never do anything with the phone turned on, so we turn off the phone. Just like mine is off, it doesn't turn on, everything's fine. We moisten the toothbrush thoroughly with alcohol. We take the phone to the side so I have a small enough access to the buzzer. The buzzer is here. These 3 holes are openings, and we clean each side about 5 to 6 times in each direction. The opening in one direction to clean out all the holes and have access to normal sound. 0. 5 to 6 times, then in the other direction also 5 to 6 times. All the holes. And then you can also go right and left, again about 5 times each way. That dirt just comes out completely from the holes, and it will be like having a brand new phone. After finishing the procedure, we put the phone back in its place. We wait about 10 to 15 minutes for the alcohol and Zepron to completely evaporate so that there is no trace left. Only then can we use the phone normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you next time.